Open the box. Take out the wooden parts in turn. Instruction manual and other supporting parts. Before assembling, check with the instruction manual to make sure the parts are complete. If there are not enough parts or there is a mistake, contact customer service for replacement parts. Wooden parts are fragile. Be careful when installing some. Parts that are difficult to remove. You can use a knife to cut the edge of the joints first, and then remove it. Removal aids can be used to remove. Small parts can be removed using the. Some parts need to be sanded and waxed to keep the structure operational. Please follow the installation instructions correctly. Remove E1. Wax the area shown in the instructions. Hook the white rubber band P3 into the position shown in the instructions. Wax B2. Insert B2 into the corresponding hole. Fix it with the leather band P3. Attach the yellow rubber band P5 to the position shown in the instructions. Wax B9. Insert B9 into the corresponding hole. Fix it with the leather strap P3. Insert B7, B16, B20 and B12 into the corresponding holes of E1. Insert C5 into the corresponding hole of the model. Wax B4 and insert it into the corresponding hole of E1. Insert D7 into the corresponding hole of E1. Insert A16B1 into the corresponding hole of A17 to form a small part. Insert D4 into the corresponding position of the model. Fix C4 to the model with the fittings. Polishing and waxing the area shown in the instructions. Insert D14 into A18. Pay attention to the direction. Insert the 2D13S in turn D11. Insert the small parts and spring P2 into the corresponding holes in the model. Insert the steel shaft P1 into the corresponding hole in the model. Insert D6 into the corresponding hole in the model. Insert D11 into the corresponding hole in the model. Insert B10 into the corresponding hole of A7A8. Fix A7A8 on the model. Wax the area shown in the instructions. Hook the black rubber band P4 into the position shown in the instructions. Attach B19, B6, and B18 to C3. Attach the 2D5S to both sides of C3. Pass the B5 through the rubber bands. P3 and bearing P1 to the corresponding position of the widget. Pay attention to the direction. Wax the area shown in the instructions. Fix the model and the widget as shown in the instructions. Fasten the model and the module with a leather strap. Fasten D10 D9 to the corresponding holes in C1. Wax the area shown in the instructions. Insert C1 into the corresponding hole of the model.